Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this short tutorial, I will show you on a best AI script writer that create full script just one click. It's called vidIQ. You find the link in the description. Now we choose AI tool and choose script writer. Click on script writer. Here we type our keyword like healthy habits. We choose a long or form video, time 10 minutes, and here we choose that storytelling. Now we create generate. Here, here with IQ will give us a specific niche on this keyword. Let's choose the mental health. We copy mental health. Let's copy it and we paste. Click on continue. Now here we generate us a full script. We give us three option scripts and we choose one. Here the three option and we choose the number 3. Click on number 3 here. Click on continue. Now vidIQ will generate us a full script inside the specific mental health keyword, and let's take some time. When here our script is ready with viral hooks. Look at this is the hooks, the hook video, and the section 1, section 2, and the conclusion. It's a full script generator by just typing your keyword. And if you want to try vidIQ, it's for free. You find the link in the description, and see you the next one.